What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am taking the Nissan Z out to its first car meet all the way down south, about 30 minutes away. So the meet is called Gears and Grinds. It's kind of like a morning coffee thing. So this is my second meet in Vegas I've ever attended. The first one was kind of whack, low-key, so I never posted it. But hopefully we see some dope cars today. If we do see some dope cars, I am going to record some of those. And you can see this is about my ride height. It's pretty close to the fender, but actually when it goes in, it tucks in. This thing tucks in just nicely, like perfect. So you'll see it all aired out. Stay tuned. All right, bros. It's like 6:50 in the morning. I am so tired. Um, I actually stayed up last night watching that Netflix movie. I think it's called Land of Bad action, little military action movie. Super dope. I was so tired, but the movie was so dope that it kept me awake. But besides that, what kept me awake too was that Jake Paul fight. Oh man, it was crazy. He almost knocked out Mike Perry in like how many rounds in the beginning, and I bet that 5 to 6 round, I really needed him to not knock him out. But Mike Perry hung in there, and man, he won that bet. Yeah, so that's how my exhaust sounds from the inside. It's actually very quiet until you actually push it up. Like, look, then it starts getting louder. Bam, 4,000 RPM, louder. So the harder you rev it, the louder it gets. But yeah, it's a pretty quiet car. Like if you're in California, I do recommend this Art Performance exhaust. We are here at the meetup spot. Eee, damn. Look at this. Sexy guys.
Levels to it.
Body's not clapped, but that body is clapped.
Guys, this Jasmine.
Oh, so Jasmine's buying coffee since
Yeah,
she's the late.
Oh, she's the last one.
Okay, let's calm down.
How you doing?
Hi guys.
Ren.
Steve, Alex,
Nice to meet you.
Jazz.
Tony, and Joe.
All right, we are headed out. Yes. Let's go. Cruising. Bro, his Audi is so sick. If you guys haven't seen his Audi in person, he has another one too. I don't know if it's red one, but both wide body SEMA cars. So sick, bro. Got the 86 and R33. So they said this meet's pretty popping, so hopefully we got a variety of cars here. Can't wait to check it out. We just pulled up to the meet. What time is it? 7:43, so it starts at 8 o'clock. A good thing we're gonna get a spot already. Yeah, let's go. I see some cool cars, guys. I like to see something that I haven't seen before, you know? What up?
We were leaving at the same time. I just would have said, hey.
Right?
I saw you like in the distance going on the highway. Like, I know him.
Oh, yeah?
We're friends from work. I figure out where I want to put you. Do you want to go right next to the Evo? Like in the front?
The
Or do you want
Evo?
to park with your guys?
Doesn't matter.
It's up to you.
Why can't you go to
Do we all fit right there?
You guys are all doing the show next week?
I think they are. I'm not doing the show till this is ready.
You're working. You want to do your show? That's what you want.
Yeah. But I'm not gonna bring this until I do like some interior or something, you know.
I'm like, oh shit, he's got a white Z too. Okay. Yeah, if you want, we can just put you right next to. You want him next to the Evo on that side, or let me come over here.
Got a little VIP parking. I want me to buy the Evo right here. I'm out here. Got a little VIP parking. We are posted by this dope Evo. We got the squad back there parking up. Last one, R33. Got a McLaren right here. Jeez. With the Porsches. Cool. I'm already excited. Look, we got a Mazda right there. All tracked out. We got a Viper back there under the tent. Already some cool cars. Jeez. Yeah. And bro, I got VIP parking.
Yeah, I was about to say, like, how'd you score that?
Man, you hollered at me.
I am like, good. Like, wow.
Damn. You want to work at my car show? That was good. Oh, that's another McLaren back there. Supercars. Wow. The showstoppers. Man, look at that tuck, bro. Look at the tuck. Yee.
So Red is the one to the show, the car show.
Alright, we're just waiting in line for some coffee. It's supposed to open at 8. It's like 8:06.
They finally negotiated. Like,
All the supercars out here. Alright, we are out here. Got my coffee. Supercars. Oh yeah. I think we're in the wrong meet.
This is the only time supercars come out. They have another one. I think it's called.
You know they have a meet right by me where I live.
Where?
Classics. Right there, right there by Planet Fitness. 891 off of Craig. Every Sunday. It's every Sunday. Yeah.
Mix of everything here.
Sheesh. Where'd Kyoki go? Forgiatos. Ooh, he's stealing. Some more cars right here. Oh, is that a real Type R? Oh, for sale. Ooh,
I don't know about that, man.
man.
30,000.
I'd rather get a Skyline.
For that price. Quite a few Type R's here, though.
There is. So how does the registration work for right-hand
I
drive?
heard it's pretty easy. I mean, you just have to get the classic car insurance. So you
But
get
where do you smog it at? Because I heard
smog exempt. Smog
Oh.
exempt if you do.
I
wish I had.
I want to
that.
pick up too, but she's not gonna let me.
But well, my wife didn't want to pick up it originally, but when we moved out here, dude, it saved us so much money. And then plus, if you go out to the desert or like,
Yeah,
depending where you
it's-
take your kids to
Yeah,
school,
it's more convenient. Yeah.
like some of our dirt roads, you gotta park your
Yeah.
car.
And then I told her, like, you know, and then we could go like snowboarding and stuff. Like,
You just gotta buy it.
yeah.
Buy it and be like, oh, sorry. You retain your value on it. Then, bro, like you notice, like on Cactus, even though they're building, there's not a lot of
There's not.
grocery stores.
There's not. So what I like about our place is everything is literally right there.
We got Walmart, we got fucking Trader Joe's, all within a 5-minute drive.
Yep, everything, dude.
Yeah. It is super below out here.
Got the Type R's. See, I almost got that new Type R too.
Those are nice.
But my wife was like, "Oh, if you're gonna spend money on a car, like, why are you just gonna get another Honda?" I was
Yeah.
like, "Okay, you make all right. I'm buying a Z."
A long time ago when I was working, I almost bought a Z. My daughter was like 3 months, and I'm like, oh, I can't even fit a car seat back there.
Yeah.
So I ended up buying an RSX, which is damn near the equivalent, but... Well, actually, no, your seat doesn't have a issue, right?
Nope. Oh, this car was in the shop when I was getting alignment.
In San Diego?
Catch up. Yeah, there's a lot of right-hand drives here, bro.
Easier to do out here, dude.
Classic
A lot easier. That's what I was saying.
vehicle.
So you go classic, and like you say, you tell them how much, like for example, you tell them how much you want to call it. I mean, how much you want to cover.
Yeah.
And so as long as you don't have a DUI in the last 10 years, you're good.
Damn, I need to look into that. So what do? You get the car first, you go to the DMV, so you want to register as a classic?
No, you gotta get the insurance first, and then
Oh.
you file with the DMV.
Okay.
But I don't know how it is if you import it though.
Yeah.
But I think like the majority of people I've talked to, they've already bought it while they're out here.
Oh, okay.
But I've heard of it, even importing is not that bad because you buy it in Japan, you pay like $2,000 straight out.
Yeah. No, that's my plan. I'm gonna try to get one. That's
Yeah,
why.
it's cheaper if you buy it out there.
Yeah.
You just need somebody to go out there and inspect it. Because if you end up flying out there and inspecting yourself, now it's like your squat. I don't see
Yeah.
squat.
And, nah, I'm going out there next year, March.
I'll just wait till then.
Yeah, so I'm gonna see if I can try to bring one back, but we'll see. We got the monster truck RSX.
I installed it.
Let's see. Lotus. Lotus. Alright guys, that about ends the vlog. Kind of lost my voice a little bit. Met a lot of people out there. So blessed to meet all these new faces. As you know, I'm still new from San Diego, so so many. I met a drift crew, another host, some owners, business owners, people that work at shops. So pretty dope. Yeah, so far this car meet was better than that night one I went to. So I do love going to the morning ones. You get more of the adult people come out rather than the kids. So pretty dope. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys at the next one. I am out.